Let's quickly sew this chef apron. It's very nice. It has this cargo pocket. It's a very nice sewing project that you can quickly sew up. And this particular chef uniform can fit different sizes from size SS2 to 6XL. I'm sure you would like to add this to your next sewing project. Come, let's go. Here is the fabric you're going to use. You will need cotton fabric. You can also use African print to make this. You need just 1 yard of any fabric of your choice or 1 meter. For the width of the apron, I have 26 inches as you can see. And then for the length, I have 34 inches. You can use any length of your choice. 34 inches is what I use, including all the sewing allowance. So I'm going to fold it lengthwise into two. So like after folding it into two, the measurement I'm going to have now after folding it into two like this is going to be 13 inches width on fold, and then 34 inches length. Use any length of your choice. Sewing allowance is already included. You can see this side is on fold and this side is not on fold. Next, we're going to mark the measurement we need for this. Here we're going to mark 6 inches and then you're going to square it down. Also here you're going to mark 10.5 inches and you're going to square it out. Remember, I said this is for size SS2 to 6XL. So if you want to increase that, you can increase a bit if you're on the bigger side. Just come out by 2 inches and make a curve like this, and that is it, guys. I'll then go ahead to cut this curve out. After cutting this, next is for us to place the pocket. This is the fabric facing up, the good side of the fabric. So I'm going to go ahead and mark where the pocket is going to be. Come down 15 inches and you're going to mark here. We are going to square this place out. This is where the pocket is going to be. Come down 15 inches and mark it. Then for the pocket, I want it to be 8 inches. You can make this wider. So I have here 4 inches. If you want your pocket wider, you can make it 5 inches, meaning in total is 10 inches, right? So on this other side also, I am going to transfer that line there. My pocket width is 8 inches, and this is what I marked here. So next we're going to sew the curve. You're going to first of all sew here and then sew again. So watch how I'm going to sew this. This is how it's going to look, very neat, right? I'll go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. And then after sewing it, this is how it's looking. Next, we are going to hem this. You can decide to fold this into two and sew it. And you do the same thing all around the apron. But you can also decide to use the same method I used for the curved area. That will give you a very flat finished type of apron. It will give you that professional look. Next, we're going to be adding pocket to this. You can see this is the front side of the apron. This is where we're adding the pocket. So I'll be using my pattern, my cargo pocket pattern, I have the PDF to this pattern, so I'm going to be dropping it in the description section. Make sure to get the PDF pattern if you want to have that boxy or that exaggerated kind of pocket. If not, you can cut a regular pocket for this. So next, I'm going to place my fabric and I'm folding it into two. I'll place the cargo pocket on it. Remember, the width of this cargo pocket is 8 inches. The final width of the cargo pocket is 8 inches. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. Remember, you can also make yours to be 10 inches, depending on what you want. So when I open it up like this, I'm going to pick this area and I'm going to sew it. Go ahead and align it properly and you sew this corner the way you're going to see me point my hand. So go to the machine and sew the two sides. Watch closely how I'm cutting and how I'm going to fold the cargo pocket. But if this video is too fast for you, I have a full tutorial on how to sew a cargo pocket. The main thing is how you're going to fold it. So make sure you fold this first one, iron it out, and then arrange the second one. See it after ironing it, then you arrange the second one. This is what will give it that 3D kind of effect. Then you go ahead and also iron it out. Then after that, this is how it's looking. Then you're going to go ahead and fold this twice to hem it. After I was done, this is how it's looking. Then I am going to bring my fabric and place it here. So you are going to just open it up. The first layer, you're going to pin it down to the pocket. Sorry, this is a black material, so you might not see it properly, but you can watch the video on how I make my cargo pocket. You'll be able to understand very well. So I'll go ahead and sew this and stitch this down. Once I was done, this is how it's going to be looking very neat and very, very professional. So next thing we are going to do is to add the straps. So you're going to add these straps to look very strong. The straps I have here, I have 3 inches by 27 inches for these 3 pieces. So here is 3 inches by 27 inches for these 3 pieces. So I'm going to leave these two to be 27, and then this one I am going to reduce it to 24. Remember, this would work for the sizes I told you. This is 24. So I'm going to fold them into two and sew them. 2 pieces, I'm going to close one end, and the other one I will not close the end. So I'm just reducing the sewing allowance, and this one I didn't close the 2 ends, so I'm just turning the loop just like that. For the other 2, I closed one end. So for that, I'm going to use my I'm going to use this to turn it. So use whatever loop turner, anything that you can use to turn yours, but make sure 2 pieces, that the longer ones are not, one side is not turned. So this one that is not turned, both sides, you're going to attach it here like this. To make it looking very strong, you're going to sew 4 corners like this here. Also, for this side, the side that is not closed, you're going to also place it and attach it. And after I was done, this is how it's looking, guys. I'm going to go ahead and wear it for you guys to see. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you guys in my next video. Please remember to share this video out to your sewing communities. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.